Unfolding phrases. Understanding air dirty laundry. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the intriguing world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're diving into a very interesting expression, air dirty laundry. This phrase has a unique story and a practical application in everyday English. So, let's unfold its meaning together. The phrase, air dirty laundry, has a vivid and somewhat literal origin. It comes from the idea of hanging your laundry outside for everyone to see. In the past, this could be embarrassing if your laundry included items that were stained or not in the best condition. The phrase evolved to mean revealing personal, often embarrassing or private information, in a public setting. It's like hanging your dirty laundry for all to see, instead of keeping it private. In contemporary English, airing dirty laundry is used metaphorically. It's about discussing or arguing about private matters in public, especially if the topics are embarrassing or of a sensitive nature. For example, during the meeting, John started airing the company's dirty laundry, discussing internal problems in front of our clients. It's not appropriate to air your dirty laundry on social media, where everyone can see your personal issues. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations and writing. It's important to understand the cultural context of this phrase. In many cultures, airing dirty laundry is seen as improper or disrespectful. It can be considered a breach of privacy or a sign of disrespect towards the people involved. When using this phrase or discussing such matters, it's crucial to be sensitive to the audience and the setting. And that's a wrap on airing dirty laundry. This phrase is a colorful part of the English language, painting a clear picture of the act of revealing private matters publicly. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase correctly in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting explorations into the world of English expressions.